Well, this is Paula, and I learned something amazing about my iPhone. Someone else had to teach me, and that is how to silence your iPhone without using the up and down volume buttons. Now, I know this seems crazy, but I didn't know this worked until she told me. Here's my iPhone, and on the side you have the up and down volume buttons. But if you see this little button across the top there, right here, you can do it like that, or you can do it like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to the front, and that little button, I'm going to move it, okay? And when I move it back, see what it says? It says ringer silent. That means my cell phone is completely quiet. It won't make any type of noise. But when I put that little button to the front, the ringer is back on and it makes noise again. So if you need to silence your iPhone completely, it's the button on the side. Yay! Silent ringer. Now non-silent. All right. I just wanted to share with you because I sure didn't know until somebody told me. All right. Bye.